How to add meta tags in GoDaddy. The first thing that we need to do is sign into our account, then click on your name in the top right, and we need to go into My Products. Here it will show you a list of all of your different subscriptions. Scroll down until you see Websites plus Marketing. Click on it, and then here I'm just going to click on Websites plus Marketing until free. So click on Manage next to it. And basically what we need to do is we need to access the website editor on GoDaddy. So here you should be able to see your website on the right, and we just want to click on Edit Website. Now once we have accessed the website editor here, we need to go into Settings, and you will see the section Get Found on Google. So basically you will select the page for which you want to add meta tags. For example, my shop page. The headline here, we can leave it as is, and this is basically going to be your meta description on GoDaddy. So for example, you can do cosmetics, shop for cosmetics, best cosmetics, in my case at least, for beginners. So that's basically how you do it. You can separate your meta tags or meta description with commas, and then you will just click on done, and that's how you add meta tags to your GoDaddy website. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.